Let me show y'all how to make some easy barbecued chicken legs. Now let me first show you how to make up a nice brine for these here chicken legs. So I got some Raging Cajun, the original Cajun seasoning. Along with that, I'm gonna toss in some of this here Lowry's garlic salt. So we're gonna make up a watery brine to soak our legs in, and when you do it this way, it's gonna be juicy, y'all. So I have a couple of packs of chicken legs, family style, because I got a large family. Y'all guys know I got a large family. So let me go ahead and prep these babies up, and I'm gonna toss them into a deep pan, and we're gonna go to work on these here legs. Now what I want to do is just submerge these chickens in some water. Now once I've done that, I'm going to take that Cajun seasoning along with that Lowry's garlic salt and just add to this here. This is going to be a nice brine. And then once I've done that, I'm going to toss it into the fridge, let it sit for like 12 hours, even up to 24, but I am going to cover this up with a lid. So as far as your measurement goes, I want you to go until your ancestors say stop. So I really don't have a true measurement for this, but go until your ancestors say stop. I allow my chicken legs to brine for about 24 hours because I wanted to get the maximum amount of flavor out of these here chicken legs. So now I'm going to season it up with some kosher salt, and I'm also going to toss in some black pepper. Now, after I toss in this here black pepper, I'm going to use some of this here Steve Shake's competition, pig competition, all right? Uncle Steve Shake's pig competition. All right, I'm telling you something right now. If you never tried Uncle Steve Shake seasonings, they're just so good, y'all. And I just love barbecuing with this particular type of seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and rub these seasonings into my meat, all right? Now, I'm going to add a little bit more because I need a little bit more seasoning. My eyes will tell the story. So I'm not going by measurements. I want you to go ahead and continue to add until your ancestors say stop. Now, I'm going to toss mine on my pellet smoker. Okay, you could do this on a charcoal grill or even a gas grill. It'll all work the same. So let me go ahead and load these babies up right now. All right, and I'm telling you, y'all, if you try this recipe, you're going to love it. I did preheat my pellet grill to 325 degrees. So I'll allow it to cook until the internal temperature read at 165 degrees. So I pulled the chicken at 165 degrees, but before I did, I went and I took some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I allowed the barbecue sauce to set for the last 15 minutes before pulling it. So if your chicken reach 165 degrees each piece, go ahead and toss some barbecue sauce on it. Allow it to cook for additional 15 minutes. Then you could go ahead and pull that baby from the grill, and once it's pulled from the grill, you better serve it up. But I want to tell you guys one thing. Please subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Comment below. Let me know what other type of videos you would like to see. Love and not hate. Subscribe and hit that like button.